In this video tutorial, I will show you how to do high-end skin retouching. This picture is beautiful, but there are lots of pimples on her face, so I will show you how to remove it. First, copy the layer by clicking on Ctrl J and name the layer as color. Now click on spot healing tool on the left and click on the spot healing tool on those areas where there are pimples. It will simply remove that. Like this, and on the forehead also, and on the nose. It will remove all the pimples and dark spots. So alright, it is done now, I think. Yeah, there is one. So alright, now it is done. Now again copy the layer. You can see that what is the difference. Now again copy the layer and name it as texture. And now on the upper, click on filters, and on the filters other and bypass, and set the value something between 3 and 4, not too high and not too low. You can check the texture if you like it. There it is. Now open the blending mode and click on linear light. Now hide the texture layer, and on the color layer, open the mix brush tool in the brush tool, and make sure that it is transparent. It will be only transparent when one option is checked and the other is not. And set these values by what I have set, and you can check it. Now slowly wipe the brush on the skin of the model. You can see that it is doing high-end retouching. Now the skin is looking beautiful. You can see that it is somewhat like magic. Now it is doing somewhat like magic. You can see that all of the pimples and dark spots are removed, leaving a clear skin. And that's the magic of Photoshop, you can say. Now click on the texture layer to reveal the texture. You can see that if you want to again edit, you can click on mix brush tool. Now you can see that it is high and retouched. Now if you hide these two layers, you will see the first layer, and then you will see the difference after the editing. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more GFX and tech videos.